Bullish Algorand, Algo, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.06 and $2 by 2030. Market experts accept Algo could reach $0.821810 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.187842. Algorand, Algo, presentation. The Algorand, Algo, cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its origin in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's digital money framework, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has in this manner lost most of these additions, experts and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost advancement. What is Algorand, Algo? The Algorand blockchain, which means to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement procedure called unadulterated verification of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board of trustees are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation, MIT, in the US, and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand, Algo, major examination in June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just a beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the $10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed progressively. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely consider the breakdown of the value of Algo's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo through confidential situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment, asks boss Chen Fangfang, addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early patrons had presented the drive to over-the-top dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand is right now worth $0.234979 United States dollars. Algo has moved 16.68% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $182,435,398. Algorand is right now positioned 342 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $1,838,512,887 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand, Algo, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Algorand, Algo, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Algo. The Algo cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.352468. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.328971 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.281975. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.587447. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the algo's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.469958 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.516954. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.822426 and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.751933 and a low of $0.704937 in 2025. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2026, on the off chance that Algorand effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.06, with a base cost of $0.939916 and a typical cost of $0.986912. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2027, after some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.22 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.17 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Algo has a greatest value worth of $1.29. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.46. In the event that Algo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.53. Neglecting to accumulate the help Algo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.41. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2029. While Algo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.64 and a yearly cost close above $1.76 in 2029. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.88 and possibly arrive at the most extreme value worth of $2, averaging out at $1.93. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own examination.